everybody. Another trip down memory road today. We're going to be doing a box break here of 1991 Leaf Series 1. I did a little looking because I wasn't too sure, but there are no good chase cards in this set. We're basically going to be looking for nothing but your typical Ken Griffey Jr., Nolan Ryan, those type of cards. Hopefully we get lucky, find a couple. Oh yeah, the iconic gray border with the Killebrew puzzle that goes with it. Hopefully we find something good. I believe that's a Ron Gant rookie card. Nope, no, excuse me. He did play before that. Ooh, look at that ding from the pack. Good thing we don't really care too much about these. First pack was a complete dud. Let's see what we find in the next one. Oh, here's a Will Cordero. These are the shiny gold rookie series that they've created. BC3 in number. There's Barry Larkin. And another puzzle piece. These packs are a little bit harder to open than your standard wax, but that's okay. Travis Fryman, I remember him. David Cohn. It's Will Clark. And that's it. Alright. Well, me personally, I'm just a big Griffey fan of this era. I want to see more Griffey cards. Yeah, the pack that would not open. Okay. Oh, there's a Mike Messina gold. Oh, look at that. I stand corrected. Mike Messina rookie. That's a nice little find. I'm happy with that. Barry Larkin again. There's Bonds. You know what, let's put the Bonds card aside. Where did he go? There he is. We'll put him up there. You know. And again, I know I'm new to these videos, so if it's hard to see cards or some kind of better production is needed, just let me know. I'm kind of doing it as time goes by. There's Larry Walker. I'm a huge Rockies fan, so I always like cards like that. Baines. Oh, Carlos Baerga. Oh man, another pack that just does not want to open. Kevin Mitchell, Matt Williams, and there's a Biggio. It looks like as of the filming of this, we're heading into Game 7 after some controversy. And I don't think anybody expected the Nationals to go as far as they did this year. Soto has not only replaced Bryce Harper, he may arguably be better this season than any season that Harper gave the Nationals. And I truly do believe Harper when he says that he hopes the best for them. At the end of the day, he chased the money, and look what happened. Well, not just the money, but also right field in Philly is a lot easier to hit a home run. There's Arthur Rhodes, gold rookie. So it appears that these gold cards, if they are in a pack, are at the very top, or at least from what we've seen so far. Harold Baines. Actually, I think we've seen this pack already. I've seen a lot of the same cards in there. One thing I actually did not look up that I probably should have is, like I said, I'm looking for Ken Griffey Jr. He may be in Series 2. I don't even know if he's a Series 1 card or not. And I apologize again for the packs. They're just a pain to open. Maybe the next box of these I'll have a little box cutter or something of that nature. That pack was a dud. I keep noticing with these puzzles, like they leave, like they shed everywhere. Oh, there's Eddie Murray, Juan Gonzalez. Still need to go further back to find his rookie card though. Another rookie. At this point, I mean, with all this junk wax, I just want every rookie card to be Mike Mussina. It's really the only guy that I can think of from this set that I would want to see as a rookie. Like, who's Gary Scott? Nobody cares. 11. Ryan Sandberg. Jose Canseco. Yeah, I expect most of these packs to be duds, but at least there was a couple guys we knew in that pack. Let's see. Henderson. Lee Smith. Okay. Also, this is going to be the first of many videos I've gotten my hands on. There's Howard Johnson and Smoltz. I've got my hands on a ton of these old junk boxes, and I decided to start this channel to open them for not only my own nostalgia on the side, but hopefully people out there in the world that are watching this, here's reprints, we'll get something out of this too. There's Dave Justice with the long shot. I like that. Robin Yount. Yeah, so that's why I decided to upload them. And of course, the first two boxes that I've done so far are 91 Donruss and 91 Leaf, where you're not going to find anything worth looking for. But I also chose these packs. Biggio, I missed him. I also chose these packs first to do because I'm learning my camera setup. I'm learning how to do this a little bit more. And I figure that I don't want it to be the fun videos if we find something that we're chasing after. Look at Seiko, Rebel. I just don't want it to be one of the videos that we find something good and a lot of people watch it and it has bad film, or bad filming, bad editing, bad audio, anything like that. So please feel free to comment if you feel like any of those are bad, if I'm monotone, if I'm boring. Things I should talk about on the next one. Kirby Puckett, Tom Glavine, Dwight Gooden. It is a little bit tough to get excited for this set though, because there really is nothing. Look for randomly packed gold leaf rookies, collect all 24. Like I said, I think Messina is the only one. And at first I didn't even realize he was a rookie in this season. Here's Greg Maddux. So we need to open up top card Mike Messina every pack the rest of the way, because it doesn't seem like any of the other cards are going to be worth a damn. Can't even open this guy to find out. Oh yeah. We found a gold rookie. It's not the one we want. Jim Abbott. A lot of these cards just keep repeating themselves. That's why if you look, or people that are buying these old junk boxes, they have complete sets out there, and you would think that the person would buy the complete set because they're guaranteed to get the one card they want. But they rather have wax boxes because there's a chance that sometimes you pull none, and sometimes you can pull 3, 4, 5 of the same card, as you guys are seeing with a lot of these reprints that are coming out. Like, other than this card, Eric Davis at the bottom, I'm pretty sure we pulled this pack already in order in a different one, because I remember Sabo, I remember Hal Morris. So we need a reprint of this pack. And the reason that the packs get reprinted like that is they made so many of these packs back then. The industry was so hot and people wanted these cards so bad that they didn't even take the time to really try to shuffle them up or anything. They just mass produced them, got them out. And I mean, the collector in me, there's Ozzie Smith. I'd be upset a little bit if we only got the one Mike Messina and that's it from the entire box and nothing else worthwhile. But I also try to humble myself and remind myself that as a kid, I used to beg my mother to buy me packs, and this is one of them. I used to love these cards, and now I get entire boxes of them and not even happy. But when I was a kid, I would have went nuts. For like David Justice, for example, I would have went nuts if I saw that card come out of the pack. Just Robin Yount. Todd Van Poppel, you guys remember him? There's a gold rookie card. I used to like him. Used to like the A's a long time ago. Like all the other kids that liked Jose Canseco and Mark McGuire and those guys. funny part is that I now live in Las Vegas, and Jose Canseco lives here as well. He actually just opened a car wash. Tropicana and Decatur, I think it is. It's something around that area, west of the Strip. But I've seen him playing poker. I've played poker with him. Haven't really talked to him though, so I don't know if he's a hothead like everybody says he is or not. But it's still pretty cool being able to walk around town and seeing, you know, the celebrity types, if you will, plus, you know, seeing guys like him just sitting there playing, you know, Texas Hold'em. Oh man, come on. There's gotta be an easier way to open these, and I just don't know it. Greg Mannix. Yeah, I think this box is just gonna be a lot of this. A lot of this nonsense. I started off hoping to just find a Griffey, because Griffey is the only real card I want out of these old sets. But now I'm just to the point, like, I don't know what I want. A couple more packs to go. I guess just a couple more Messinas would be nice. Add to the collection. At least by the time it's all done, I might have a full puzzle. Again. I actually used to play a Sega game called Sports Talk Baseball, where the Atlanta Braves were just the killer team in that game. You guys remember that old team? And before video games had stats, baseball nerd that I am, I used to write, oh, gold, move on, rookie. Remember him being a big deal. I used to write down the stats in a notebook as I played along in the season. So at the end of the season, I could see how my guys in the game are doing. You know, of course, all my guys had like 90 home runs. But that was always fun. Sheffield, Franco, even guys like Deere, Fryman, remember him? Yeah, 2 packs left, not much happening. Not much happening. These 2 are backwards, but they don't matter. And the final one. Oh, it better have something good in it for as hard as it is to open. Have something good. Well, no prospect. Ozzie Smith. That's as good as it's gonna get. Yep. Alright, well, thanks again for watching once again. These are our 2 big cards from this set. The Mike Mussina rookie. At least out of the pack, it doesn't... corner's just a little off, it looks like. It's still fun to see a card like this come out. Alright, till the next box. See you guys later. Shout out to the 400 Club. Thanks.